Tired of tangled cables and slow charging ruining your Apple Watch Ultra 3 experience? Today, we're revealing the 6 best charging stations of 2025 that transform your setup into a sleek, organized power hub. Welcome to my channel. Check the links in the description and upgrade your charging game the smart way. The number 6 product on our list is SwanScout Charging Station. Tired of juggling chargers for your Apple Watch Ultra 3, iPhone, and AirPods every night? The SwanScout Charging Station finally fixes that daily chaos with a blend of smart design and serious power. Its upgraded 3.3W charging speed makes a noticeable difference. Your watch hits 50% in just 40 minutes, cutting hours off your full charge time. What truly stands out is the dual Apple Watch setup, a rare touch that makes it perfect for couples or anyone managing multiple devices. The magnetic alignment feels solid, and the build quality easily rivals pricier brands featured in premium charging station lists. Compared to bulkier designs, SwanScout keeps a clean, elegant bedside footprint that looks just as good as it performs. For those tired of cable clutter and slow charging, this station feels like a breath of relief. Tested for real-world convenience and worth every bit of attention. At number 5 is JOYROOM Charging Station. Ever wished your Apple Watch charger could travel as effortlessly as you do? The JOYROOM Charging Station feels like it was designed for real life. Compact, foldable, and incredibly smart. Its 0-90DG adjustable design lets you charge flat or upright, perfect for bedside use or while working at your desk. What I love most is how it combines portability with power. The strong magnetic grip locks your watch instantly, delivering fast and safe charging without the stress of perfect alignment. It's lightweight yet durable, making it ideal for frequent travelers or anyone who values clutter-free charging. Compared to bulkier stands featured in premium charging station collections, JOYROOM offers a minimalist feel without cutting corners. The soft light that shuts off after 30 seconds is a small but thoughtful touch for peaceful nights. Tested for everyday practicality, this is a truly reliable companion for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 era. At number 4 is ZIKUREL Charging Station. Running late and your Apple Watch battery is gasping for life? The ZIKUREL Charging Station feels like the answer to every Apple Watch owner's silent frustration. Fast, reliable, and incredibly travel-friendly. Its magnetic alignment clicks into place effortlessly. No fumbling, no second tries, just instant connection and smooth power delivery. What I really love is how it balances speed with safety. Built-in overheat protection keeps things cool while your watch powers up. It's noticeably quicker than older chargers and feels refined enough for a nightstand, yet light enough to slip into your travel pouch. Compared to bulkier docks in premium charging setups, ZIKUREL focuses on what truly matters: efficiency, simplicity, and peace of mind. Whether you're recharging your Ultra 3 or a previous series, this charger delivers the same solid performance every single time. Tested for real-world comfort, it's a smart, compact solution designed for people who live life on the go. The third one on our list is Delidigi Dual Charging Station. If you and your partner both wear Apple Watches, you'll understand the nightly struggle for the charger. The Delidigi Dual Charging Station fixes that perfectly with a clean, silicone design that holds 2 watches side by side. Simple, elegant, and genuinely practical. It's crafted for Apple Watch Ultra 3 users who value neat organization without giving up bedside functionality. The premium silicone feels soft yet sturdy, protecting your devices while keeping them steady during charging. Compared to plastic ducts seen in most charging setups, this one feels warm and minimal, blending seamlessly into any modern setup. The nightstand mode support is a thoughtful touch. Checking the time or notifications feels natural while it charges. It's a smart pick for families, couples, or collectors managing multiple watches. Tested for real-world comfort, Delidigi brings relief from cable clutter while adding that quiet sense of order every Apple user craves before bed. On number 2 is NEWDERY Charging Station. Ever noticed how most Apple Watch chargers either charge slow or slip off easily? The NEWDERY Charging Station solves that frustration with a smart, magnetic grip that locks your Ultra 3 perfectly in place. No fidgeting, no misalignment. It's designed for real-life use where simplicity meets speed. The built-in intelligent chip delivers fast, stable power in just a few hours, making it one of the most practical additions to your daily tech setup. Its compact and weighted design feels solid on the desk, yet light enough to pack for travel. Compared to larger docks featured in premium charging lineups, NEWDERY focuses on efficiency and portability rather than bulk. The anti-slip base adds peace of mind, especially during overnight charging. For anyone tired of weak magnets or cluttered stands, this charger feels like a quiet upgrade, tested for everyday reliability and crafted for people who appreciate smart, minimalist charging solutions. Now moving to the last one is ZAPOGO charging station. Tired of messy cables and weak chargers that barely hold your Apple Watch in place? The ZAPOGO charging station delivers the stability, speed, and simplicity every Apple Watch Ultra 3 user deserves. Its one-step charging design feels effortless. Just place your watch and the strong magnetic connection does the rest. The blue indicator light glows briefly to confirm the charge, then quietly fades out for a peaceful night. What stands out is its ability to double as a nightstand clock, transforming your watch into a sleek bedside companion. The build feels premium yet compact, making it perfect for travel, work, or your night table setup. Compared to bulkier stations in high-end charging setups, ZAPOGO nails convenience and minimalism without compromise. It's smart, portable, and tested for everyday reliability, a true balance of form and function. For users who value simplicity and quiet confidence, this charger hits the sweet spot beautifully. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best Apple Watch Ultra 3 charging stations 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.